Hi everyone and welcome to our latest video. Today we've got this HP 255 G7 with a system fan error. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look and see what fan it has and see if we've got one in stock. Let's get on. Right, so if you remember all my videos about HPs, you'll remember that HP have a habit of hiding screws under the rubber strip. So let's get these out. They come off nice and easily. Right, so the 255 G7 has 4 screws under the back rubber strip and 3 under the front one, and then you've got the 3 screws there. So let's take these out and we'll come back. Okay, so right, so the fan isn't turning, and there's actually, what is that? There's actually something in the fan. I can just right, so there was actually something in the fan there. As you can see, it is pretty grubby in there. And I'm wondering if that's why right. Hoping to see if I could see what it's get out what was there. But let's give it an air dust and then we'll see how it goes. So it's one screw to take the fan out, and so hope you can see in there. As you can see, it is caked in that. That was in the fan, so that might have got pulled back in again if I had left it. I thought we cleared everything. So that is now fully clear, and there's no no bearing noise, which I would expect to hear with HPs if the fan was going. We can now get this back together and get it back to the customer. Right, so I thought, why don't we just go the whole hog and do the processor as well. by applying some more thermal grease. Right, so that came off pretty easy actually, but yeah, so we're just gonna give that a clean up. I've just applied some to the board as well, just to try and clean it up. And now we need to do the just give that a clean as well. It looks like, well, I don't know if that was still original. I wouldn't say it was, but that's, someone's done that before. So now we're just going to apply blob into the middle. Now, when you're putting this back on, always go corner corner. There are numbers on it, but as long as you go corner corner, it shouldn't make any difference which one you do first. Right, and that is that done. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.